So I wanted to show you, I've been doing some crafting videos where I recycle, reuse, repurpose, and this is going to continue with that because this candlestick that my mom got me, I've used in so many different videos. And what I do is I hot glue it to something and then I take it off. So this time I'm going to use it with the plates. Now I'm going to end up making this because I wanted to have something that I could just put these little candles on. But I wanted to show you that this could be used not just like this, but you could use it with this and this so that you have this plate at the bottom. You can put some flowers on it or candy and put a cake on top. So you could use this as a cake for cake and then put like candies or flowers at the bottom. So you could use it like this. You could then take it and use it like this by itself, just with the larger plate, or you could take it and put the larger plate at the bottom, the candlestick, glue it to the larger plate, and then put the smaller plate so that you have maybe some candy or cakes at the bottom and then something small at the top, and then you could go like this. So you could really make it so that there are multiple layers. And you could also get a candlestick and put it at the bottom so that you have the candlestick at the bottom, then one in the middle, and then the top is available. But instead of doing that, I think what I'm going to do with this is just keep it so that it's just the candlestick and the smaller plate. So here I'm going to show you. Now, what I'm going to do with this is take the candlestick, put some hot glue on it. Now, you could use better glue, but since I keep reusing it, again, I keep just recycling, reusing, and repurposing the same things. I'm just going to put the hot glue on it, try to center it, and press down. So here it is. That's such a quick and easy craft. This is $1.25. The candlestick's $1.25. The large plate's $1.25. So right there, for $3.75, it's an easy way to just decorate with. For the holidays, you know, the holidays are coming up. It's a quick and easy way to decorate, and it's cheap, which I love. Thank you for watching.